Mr. Jericho Rosales umami na matagal nang gustong makatrabaho si Miss Janine Gutierrez. Mr. Jericho Rosales matagal nang gustong makatrabaho ang nag-iisang Janine Gutierrez. I just missed that energy. I love Jody. I've been wanting to work with her. I also want to express my excitement for Janine. It's an exciting cast. So ayan nga. Then sabi nga niya sa interview, ayan, I also wanted to express my excitement like Janine. We called her once to see if she was open to a project with us as a producers. So, ayan nga yung sinabi ni Echo during his interview with Sir MG Felipe. Then, during that time daw is busy daw si Miss Janine Gutierrez. So, ito na nga ngayon, magkasama na sila sa Lavender Fields. Wow, excited for Jericho and Janine. The Echo 9 before will be Echo 9. Puro magagaling. Wala kang itatapon. Papanoorin mo talaga ito. Ito yung teleserye na tatatak sa mga tao para manood. Hindi lang dito, pati nasa ibang bansa. Drama at action. What a combination. Wow, Jericho, the long wait is over. Puging-pugi pa rin. Iba talaga, buong-buo ang boses na hindi nauutal at di nabubulol. Magaling mag-deliver ng lines at magaling na actor na marami na patunayan. He is the best actor for me sa Philippine entertainment. Kahit kanino mo itapat my age, ipinakilala ang Filipino teleserye intentionally. Kaya't excited at ready na kami dito sa Hawaii USA. Mr. Pogi, best actor, dating primetime king at Asian drama king. Welcome back and God bless. And kahapon nga is pinakilala na rin ang isang cast. So ayan, si Miss Jelena Magdangal. Abangan si Lily Atienza sa Lavender Field. So ayan guys, 4 na J na yung ni-reveal. Abangan pa yung iba pang cast. So ayun lang guys, ingat, love lots.